Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how can I add extension in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. Okay, first we have to go Google Chrome. After that we have to click on this and more tools. Here you can find extensions. You have to click on it. After that you have to search the extension you want. Okay, ah, I found it. Now you can choose your extension, anything you want. From here you can choose your extension. After that you have to select on it. That's it. I want to do something new and better. So many problems we face daily. I want to show you how can we solve those problems easily in a smart way within a short time. I am trying to give you some tips and tricks about this matter. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.